I'm Ryan Cook, and this is Garmin GFC Autopilot's Next Level. During my first checkouts in airplanes with autopilots, the autopilot tended to be treated as a sort of bonus item, a footnote at the end of a checkout, and something to play around with at cruise sometime and figure out how it works. That sort of introduction might be barely adequate for something like a simple wing leveler. It's not adequate for a more complex modern system like these Garmin autopilots. A modern autopilot can manage lateral and vertical guidance, it can fly approaches and missed approaches, and it can make your workload dramatically lighter. Or it can become an unpredictable distraction at exactly the wrong moment. We'll cover the fundamentals, but this isn't a button by button visual version of the manual. You have a manual, and you should read it. Instead, this course is a collection of best practices, advanced techniques, and potential traps demonstrated on a series of end to end flights. The goal is to learn how the autopilot thinks and how you should think as you use it. It's about understanding how to make the autopilot do what you want, verifying that it's doing that, recognizing when it isn't, and anticipating what it'll do next. Ultimately, we're going to show you how to leverage the system to make your life easier. The first module includes an overview of the fundamentals. These include the modes available on your autopilot, as well as some of the top tips for when and how to use them. Module 2 uses a VFR flight to demonstrate core autopilot principles, including how your mindset should change when using one, as well as best practices for the standard lateral and vertical modes you'll use every day. Module 3 features an IFR flight. We'll cover techniques for taking off with the flight director and autopilot, flying the sort of vectored instrument approach that's the bread and butter of IFR, and handling missed approaches. In Module 4, we'll dig into more advanced functions, including flying a SID and a descent using vertical navigation. Module 5 rounds out the course with the selection of edge cases and less routine procedure types, the things you'll run into just often enough to catch you off guard, and that your double eye might throw at you on your next IPC. So we'll start with GFC fundamentals, and then you can ride along as we put them into practice over a series of end-to-end flights.